color correction inside Vegas Pro version 17 using the color curves, color corrector, keyframes and the video scopes. Between 2 points this line will be moved a little bit up and down to adjust the highlights and shadows of the image. Let's start from the beginning. Close this one, remove the color corrections and close that one. So let's add the preset from this one, FX. Okay, so add color corrector, add, and color curves, add. Both of them were added here. Okay, here on color corrector I will increase just the saturation to, let's say, 1.3. Okay, you can check and uncheck this one to see the difference. And then color curves. This one has two sliders for highlights and shadows. Let's click on animate to show the keyframes. Okay, and let's go to view, window, and video scopes, Ctrl Alt and 2, and set it to RGB parade. Okay, so this one is showing the same thing as here, but in a different manner. So if it's missing the lower portion, the dots are not down there, then it means that the image itself does not have too much black, dark colors. It has bright because the dots are up there, it's missing something in the center and so on. Let's start from the beginning. Zoom in with the scroll wheel, and this one adjusts the shadows. So let's add a little bit of shadow. If I bring it down, notice the image is getting darker and these dots are moving down. And it's missing a little bit of highlights, so let's move this one because that's for the highlights. If you make it shorter and then move it up and down, then it's adjusting only the top portion, that is the very bright portion of the image. If you move it down and then move it up and down, then it's adjusting the middle portion, that is the more normal visible colors, the midtones, somewhere there. So I just increase the brightness of the image and decrease the shadows a bit. Okay, and what's the modification of these color curves in this point? Simply check and uncheck this one. Okay, so it's more gray here and it's a bit more vivid there. So move forward, and whenever you see that the image still looks good, put a keyframe. Like so, it added a keyframe, and between this keyframe and the next one the modification will be done. So let's say till here it's fine, add a keyframe, move forward, and here it's a bit too dark, increase the shadows, and between this point and that point you can see that the line is moving. Here we did not do any modification, I just added a keyframe and the line is not moving. Okay, and in this manner adjust your entire video as you like it. Somewhere there it will get too bright, like so. So stop there, add a keyframe, move there to the brighter portion of the image, decrease the brightness if you want, better add a bit of dark. And that's it. And the image exposure is more constant. It's not too bright suddenly and it's not too dark suddenly. And in this way you can adjust your entire video. And that's about it. So adds a little bit of darkness to the image if it's missing, add a little bit of brightness into the image if that one is missing. You can move this one from this portion. Here it's missing a bit of darkness, so bring that one down. Here it's somewhere it's a bit too dark, so increase that one. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.